Well, this ain't coming off. That one's stripped. These things are tight as hell. Let's see if I can even get these other ones to break off. Ah, motherfucker. Nope. Alright, so I got 2 of them that stripped on me. Let me try a little trick here. Hold on. Motherfucker. The fuck? Didn't budge. Alright. Let's try this one. God damn. It ain't gonna come. Oh, fucking bitch. Try this one more time. Well, they aren't coming off. Screw those back on. Well, I got one side off. It's right here. One of them started stripping on me. I can't remember which one. That one right there. And these things are tighter than hell on there, and there ain't even no Loctite on this one from what I see, but I might have to put it back on because the other side I couldn't get off. That's what it does look like without it. Looks kind of naked. I don't know. Thought I would have liked it without them, but looks kind of strange without it. And here's the side with it. So, wanted to take them off because you can only see one watermelon. You know, these ones are there and it kind of glows off of here, which is cool, but I guess it's on to stay because couldn't get those off. And so that's the difference. What do y'all think? It don't matter. Like I said, it's going back on for now, so let me get this thing back on real quick. Put it back on. I guess that's where it's gonna stay. So it's Saturday, probably August 2nd or something like that. Came and hand washed my truck, detailed it, put a lot of butter on my tires, cleaned my fifth wheel, greased it up. Greased the whole truck, obviously. And just going over it, make sure everything's good. Got it nice and clean. Got all the spots that the truck wash never gets. It's hot out here. And I'm gonna put these mud flaps on next. I got another set for there. And I got a set for the back also to match the front ones. I was gonna record washing it, but damn GoPro was dead. And I noticed my exhaust stacks, I think that driver's side done turned out on me some more. So I'm gonna have to take this shield off and loosen that bolt up there and get it straight. But I don't feel like dealing with it today, if I'm honest. Looks kind of silly sticking out sideways. Got her aired out right now. Fenders are holding on good this week, so I've been keeping an extra eye on these things. I need to adjust them some more. Lost a little end cap there, and it's tight. And I think it's because it's aired out. I want to say it's rubbing, but I mean it's aired out. You know, I'm never gonna drive like that, but that's it for now. So my next step, I'm gonna organize my side boxes. It's looking all crazy in here. So turns out that's a ticket if you can't get to your fire extinguisher. I've seen a post on one of these trucking websites. Look at that, something leaked down here. Some more residuals. So I'm gonna organize my side boxes. I wasn't cleaning the interior, but I'm kind of wore out for the day. Can't get excess anything in there, so I'll knock that out next. And I guess that's about it for me. I didn't do much recording this week because it was a slow, lousy week. Wasn't nothing good to record. This coming week they got me on the same thing all week, going from Streetman, Texas to Port Arthur. So I'm gonna run that all week. I'll get some footage of that, but that's pretty boring also. We'll see what I can do, make something out of a video here. I gotta go get my mud flaps. I left them inside my trailer. All right, good luck. I was worried I was gonna be able to get inside of it because my neighbor was here, but he's gone. Let's see if I can't climb up there, get in that trap door. It's a good thing about these old trucks. You can climb all over them. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Go. New mud flaps. Uh-oh. Hope I'm not out of gas. It's 13. Perfect. Glad that was separate because you got to have this on there. Out with the old. We got some mud flap weights. Got these from my homeboy, John Garcia. He gave these to me as a gift for getting the truck. Texas Boy 80 on Instagram, I think. His son is a shotgun. Snap these bad boys on here. Mud flap weight. Maybe I could put them like that. Like that. Oh, look at that. You gotta drill your own holes. The holes are only halfway through. All right, I got the truck aired up. Let's check the height. Looks pretty good to me. Looking good, huh? Yeah, right. Damn, studs are broken on two of them over here. I didn't even put a baby-sized torque on there, and that sucker snapped. So I done drilled holes for those things. God, it's annoying, man. I was looking good, but... All right, guys, made it back to the yard. So I'm gonna have to raise these up because those are too low for my liking. I'll raise them up a little bit, but anyways, I'm gonna have to buy some new weights because the other one, it's aluminum, you can't weld that stud back on. So I've got one weight over there, not one over here. And I installed the front ones again. I put that one on crooked. But I raised those ones up, so hopefully those won't rip again. As soon as I got here, some truck flew by me because I'm on a dirt lot and dusted me out, and I was like, God, dog it. But here it is. Or that's the one I put on crooked. My right side is lower, but whatever. Fresh butter on these tires, full of dirt already. Backed up to my trailer, hooked up, aired up, ready to roll for Monday. And if anybody's interested in working for Oakley, go ahead and somehow message me your phone number. You could email it to me at cruzmadronotrucking@gmail.com, or you can message me on Instagram, cruzmadrano817, and I can refer you. That's the only way I can get credit, is if I turn in your phone number and they put it in the system. If you call them and say I referred you or you see my YouTube channel, I won't get no credit for it if you ever get hired. So if y'all can, reach out to me so I can put you down as a reference, or I can put you down as your referral. And we'll go from there. Well, like I said, I appreciate y'all tuning in. And I'll check y'all this week on some load footage, see what we can get into this week.